what is SQL?
The querying language.
Structured query.
Yeah,
Structured
it's a
query
structured
language.
query language, right? So where do we use it?
In database.
This
Correct.
is a
So obviously,
communication media between database and user.
okay. So SQL is used in the database, right? So now we will have to install a database to try this, correct? So let's start installing. For this, what I'll do is I want to make sure that especially people, whoever is very new to the subject, should understand it better as well. So that's the reason what I'll do is I'll install MySQL for you guys. Okay. I'll take one of your system screen share and install it. Others can follow the same steps. Fine. Now, please listen to the steps very carefully, step by step, because it cannot be repeated points. While installation, sometimes you cannot go backward step. That's why please follow when I'm installing. Okay. Fine. Now, is there anyone who joined from your system and doesn't have anything installed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can any one of you share your screen? Who is ready to share?
Sharing option is not available for me.
Your system is new and don't have any databases in it?
No.
Okay. Try now. I'm
Ma'am,
not
I have
using a
shared my
desktop
screen.
app. I cannot take the control. Always try to join the class from the desktop app. You joined from Chrome today. Okay?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Click on the new tab there in Chrome. So basically, while installing MySQL, we need other supporting softwares as well. Okay? So I want all of you to follow along with me in installations. Before even installing things, let's go with control. Open the control panel and check what all softwares we already have. Now, you cannot type whatever you want if you're sharing your screen. I'll tell you step by step because there are people who doesn't know to handle the system. Am I clear? Rajita? Can you please unmute? Yes, am I audible? Rajita, please
Yes, you
unmute.
are.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes,
So
there
what
is a
I'm
power cut
saying is,
issue.
when you're sharing your screen, don't unmute, don't mute. Be like this only.
Yeah, okay, fine.
When you're sharing your screen, when someone is looking at your screen, and there are also very beginners who cannot handle the system, so I have to take care of all of them. Type only things whatever I say. You don't go fast
Oh,
because you know
okay.
you know to handle a system. You cannot go fast. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes. So now go back to minimize this Chrome. Huh. Now, guys, to open control panel, you have a search box on the bottom. In the search box, you have to type control panel. If you type control panel from the search box, you can open the control panel. So all of you, please follow. Please don't ask me to repeat this test because in installations, repetition is not that flexible or possible. And here we have, under all these groups, you have a group called programs. So in that group called programs, you have something called uninstall a program. So if you click on that uninstall a program under the programs menu, it will take you to the list of programs which are already installed. So in this, if you have to check if you have MySQL, it is always arranged in alphabetical order. So in alphabet M, you can check for MySQL. If it's not available, very good, we will go with the installations. Okay, now to do the installations, to support MySQL, we need supportive softwares as well. So that's why we will install all the supportive softwares for MySQL along with MySQL. Now go to Chrome. Open a new tab. Go to Chrome. Yes. Here, type. First, let's start with C++ redistributable. Did I ask you to write 2019? Just write C++ redistributable. Enter. Did you all type it? Now, open the first website. Suren, if you feel like SSMS only, I will do it. Go with the same. If you are interested in doing in MySQL along with us, install this. It's absolutely your choice what database you use. Now here, when you type this C++ redistributable, you see an option on the first, you see in a blue lines telling in this article. Okay, here you have the very first one, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2021. So click on that link, blue color, first link. So it will take you directly to the place where you have the latest C++ redistributable dump. Here, if you scroll down little, yes, you have 3 links here. Scroll little more and show the complete box. Yes, yes, enough. So here you see you have something called x64, third one. Okay, so you can start to download x64. Click on the link, it will start the download. Just click on it. It started the download. Don't click multiple times, it will download multiple times. So yes, it is downloaded. First, let's download all of them, then start installation one by one. So this is the first one which is downloaded. Now, going back to the second one, go to a new tab in the Chrome. Then type Java JDK. Type Java JDK, click on enter. And then first website you will have will be Java Downloads Oracle. Click on it. So once you land in this website, if you quickly scroll down, here you have Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So select Windows. Under the windows, you have three links here. You have to click on the second link. It will
Excuse me,
start the download. Yes,
excuse me. I'm from Mac laptop. Like I have to do Mac.
expected this question. So you have to select Mac, but I'm not really good at installation of Mac. And
Yeah.
if you want to use Power BI, you need a VM to work on Power BI in Mac. Are you aware of that?
No, no, not.
Because Power BI is provided by Microsoft. You have to take a parallel desktop app on your Mac. Only then you can connect to Windows and work.
Okay.
So better prefer Windows for the classes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, once you click on the second link, it will start the download. Is everyone on the same page following? Yes, I don't like if
One
people
second.
are so quiet and not
Yes, ma'am.
interactive.
Yeah,
Yes.
one second, ma'am. Hello.
Chalo.
Uh,
Yes,
uh, yes. As I said, like as I have SSMS on my system, can I install this as well? Not required.
I already gave you an answer for this. It's your choice. See,
No.
at your home, if you have a fruit apple, will you also purchase watermelon? Or you say apple is enough and keep quiet?
No. My question is
First
like
thing is
no,
this.
the reason why I'm asking because like in the upcoming
My,
trainings, if you yeah.
once again, my answer is correct actually. My question is correct, what I told you. Even though you have apple, you want to try other fruits sometimes. Who wants to try different fruits? They purchase it. If you want to stick only to apple, they'll do it. Because SQL is same for any database. If you want to stick to SSMS, you can go ahead. But if you want to try along with me, you can do MySQL is what I told you first. Correct?
Yeah. For that, do I need to uninstall the SSMS? Is my second question. If not required,
Not
yeah, I can.
required.
Done. Done. Thanks.
Both are different.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Yes, this download is completed. Now let's download the next uh, software we want. Click on the new tab. Type Visual Studio. Enter. Click on enter. Go to the very first website, that is Visual Studio IDE and Code Editor for Software Developers. Click on it. If you scroll down little, you get a family of Visual Studio. Scroll down more. See, meet the Visual Studio family. You have two, one on the left and one on the right. So please select the one on the left. Under the download section, you have community version. Click on community 2022. It will automatically start the download. Under this purple box, if you click on community 2022, it will start the download. Is everyone following?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now go to a new tab. Even though it is in between the download, that's okay. Mahesh, can you please off your camera? Mahesh B, can you please off your camera?
Ma'am, could you please repeat once again?
Which one?
Third one, Visual Studio.
Type Visual Studio on your Chrome. Did you do that?
Yes,
After what did you type exactly?
Visual Studio. First link I have opened.
Once you open the first link, if you scroll down, do you get two boxes, purple and blue?
Download Visual Studio. Start purple one. I
Tell
got it.
me what
Purple
I
one.
asked. Did you get two boxes, purple on the left and blue on the right? Like this.
1 second. No, I didn't get it.
Scroll up little. Rajita, did you go to this website firstly, Hema?
Yeah.
If you're on this website, you have to scroll down. Then you will see those boxes.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now on the left, you see has highlighted it under download Visual Studio. You have to select Community 2022.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Done. It will download. Now go to the new tab, guys. Please follow when I'm going slow. Please follow. Now in the new tab, type MySQL, MySQL. Enter. You go to a website, the very first one, if you type only MySQL and click on enter, you will land in a website called www.mysql.com. The very first, can you go back? Go back one step. Yes. Here, guys, you see it is the very first link we have. That is www.mysql.com, and you see it as MySQL. Click on it so that you go inside the website, the official website. In this website, you see there is an option of downloads on the top. You have mysql.com, downloads, documentation, developer zone. Select downloads. Okay. Now scroll down. Now once you scroll down, not completely, scroll up. You see a blue color line here. MySQL, scroll little down. You have a blue color, scroll down. Yes, wait. You see you have a blue color line stating MySQL Community GPL downloads. So select MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on the link. Then you see a list of websites like this. In this list of websites you see here, you have to select MySQL community server, which is on the left side, the fourth one. When you click on this MySQL community server, you get a link like this. Scroll down. Go with the first download, that is MSI installer. So once you click on it, it will ask you this. Then you have to select no thanks, just start my download. Click on no thanks, just start my download. Click on that line you have on the bottom. No thanks, just start my download. So it will start the download. Okay. Once this download is completed, now go back one step. Go another step. Back to the list of websites. Here now select in the left side, second group, last one, MySQL Workbench. Select MySQL Workbench. Here you will have only one download. Click on download. Select no thanks, just start my download. This will also start the download. Yes, all of you have downloaded all this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now Did all of you finish downloads?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Now go back to the download section, go to folder and select downloads. Make sure you have all 5 downloads. Okay. Now let's start installation with Visual WC redistributable. VC redistributable. VCREDIST. Double click on it. Accept the license terms and conditions. Checkbox it. Then click on install. You will get a pop-up in the background stating, do you want this to make changes in your system? You will have yes or no. Then you can just quickly click on yes, then this will continue. You get a pop-up in the background, click on yes in the pop-up. Then this will work. Guys, there is a reminder stating that the enrollments, please finish it faster if you want to access further classes. Okay? Yes. Now click on start. No, 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 don't. Not this start. Close it. Don't restart it now. Restart it later. Once the class is completed, restart your system. Now you can click on close. Yes. Now go back to Java JDK. Go to the software which you have downloaded, Java JDK. Yes, double click on Java JDK. Now click on next. Again click on next. You will get a pop-up again. You have to click on yes. Whenever you get that pop-up for any website, any software installation, click on yes. Once this is completed, click on close. Once Java JDK is completed, the next one we have is Visual Studio. Double click on Visual Studio. Now, once you get this pop-up, guys, please follow from here. I cannot go back and tell you the options. And if you're asking, ma'am, what should I do at this step? You only if I see the UI, I'll understand. Okay. Now click on continue. Let it download. Guys, suppose if your systems are slow, you're missing a step, note it down. Suppose if you're missing any step, Note it down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
So that class was also recorded, right? So we can.
that's your choice if you want to listen to the recording. Yes, it's recorded.
Okay, thank
Yeah. Now you see on the right corner you have install option. Click on install on the right corner, bottom corner. Yes, click on install. Click on continue. Don't add the workloads now. Just click on continue. Yes, let this finish the download. So once the download is completed, it will ask you for sign in. You can close this. Yes, click on yes. You can also close this. Yes, click on into. Yes. So until here, all the ones which will support MySQL are ready. Now we will install MySQL server first. Then we will install the workbench. Okay. Now let's start with MySQL server. That's the right side one. Yes, correct. MySQL 9.0.1, Windows 64. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, the first option you get is like this. So click on next. Click on next. Once you come to this, click on I accept this and click on next. Guys, from here, revert back is not possible. Please follow. Now click on typical. There's our typical first. Click on typical. It will take you to the next one. Here it is asking you click install to begin the installations. Yes, click on install. In between, whenever you get a pop-up in the background telling this will make changes to your system, click on yes. Now click on finish. Why do I see folder in between? Yeah. So once you do that, you will have something like this. Configurer will be open automatically. If the configurer is open, now click on next. Again, click on next. Next. Now give the password. Please don't go with your personal passwords, because people ultimately end up in forgetting and not able to access MySQL and coming back and telling me, ma'am, I forgot the password, what to do. I don't want that to happen. So please type the password as capital ROOT. Type capital ROOT, capital R, small OOT, root. Because you don't have your personal information here anyways, that's okay. If it's weak, repeat the same password on the bottom. Give capital ROOT. Now click on next. Click on next. Next. Select this checkboxes, Sakila database and world, because Sakila will have some sample tables for practice that would help you. Then click on next. Here you can click on execute. Once all of them are completed, click on next. Click on finish. So until now we have installed the server which works in the background. Now we have to install the front-end application where we write the SQL code. Okay, now select MySQL Workbench Community. Double click on it. So now click on next. Workbench installation is easier. Click on next and next. Next. Click on install. Click on finish. See, you have to make sure that the checkbox is clicked there. On the left bottom corner, launch MySQL Workbench checkbox have to be active. All of you please make sure of that. Then click on finish. Just wait for a minute. You see on the bottom in the taskbar, MySQL Workbench is blinking. It's open. Select it. So maximize this. Now double click on the local instance you have. Type the password which you have typed there. Checkbox, don't show this message again, and click on continue anyway. So this is our MySQL workbench where we'll be working on.
Password will be again the root caps R.
Yes. So this is about the installations, and now our MySQL is ready to learn SQL. So you can unshare your screen. So that's about the installation, guys. Hope everyone has followed the installations.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So this we have completed, and let's continue the classes from, I think there's a vacation on Monday, so we'll start the sessions on the subject from Tuesday. Okay. So yeah, that's
Okay.
about it for today. Let's resume the classes from Tuesday and continue the subject. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you all back on Tuesday. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And please join the classroom link to get the notes. Today you don't have any notes because it's just the installation. You have notes for
Okay.
first 3 demo sessions. Okay?
Okay.
Can
And
I
whoever
have the
wants to finish
classroom link, please?
let me finish. Whoever wants to finish the enrollments, you have to finish it now because from Tuesday the link will change and the classes would resume. Yes. Srija, what you are asking?
Can I have the classroom links?
Yeah, please talk to the admin. He'll be providing you the classroom link.
Sure, thank you.
Okay? Yeah. Okay then. Thank you guys. See you all back on Tuesday. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.